Bonjour everyone, my name's Demi and I'm over discoveringdemi.com. This is my very first blog that I've ever done, so I'm really excited to take you all through my journey of studying abroad in France. I moved away to France about 4 weeks ago and it's already been a life-changing experience. I really came to test myself to see if I could do it. I came to learn, I came to study my tourism degree, but along the way I'm kind of starting to find myself and really test myself and push myself to the limits when it comes to living on my own. Maneuvering your way around another country isn't very easy. We got here, the whole plane ride was smooth, the train ride was smooth. When we got here, we had a couple bumps in the road. We couldn't find our dorms, and then once we got here an hour later, we walk in, and I don't really know what I was expecting, but it was this little bitty tiny dorm room. It just looked kind of like a hallway with a door that leads to the bathroom. And in the bathroom is the toilet, shower, the sink, and the mirror all in one. I kind of feel like I'm living on a cruise ship, but that's okay, I've gotten used to it now. The first couple days or couple weeks, we were lost for a good amount of time. Everywhere we went, we didn't know where we were going.
We're still lost.
And it's still cold.
And we're still hungry.
And we're wondering if it's May yet.
I'm ready to put on a pair of shorts. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. We went all the way around town to realize we just needed to go back to our dorm.
And then go the opposite way.
And start over.
So our 10-minute walk turned into 2 hours and we're still not there.
But if you want to know more about what's going on over here with me, you can check out my blog, discoveringdemi.com. Check it out, make some comments, let me know what you would like to hear, and I will try and make that happen for everyone. So thanks for tuning in. Bye!